When you homie set you up to
that's
take
them at
one
the door,
for the
bro.
team.
You ready? I'm alright.
Girl, come on. Nigga, I'm go. Where his light skin ass at?
Nah, that can't be.
Light.
Oh, whatever. I'm just waiting on somebody else to come in. Ain't somebody else coming in? Can't be everybody.
Where you about to go?
What other girl?
That's my homegirl right there.
Me?
Y'all go help her, y'all.
This what we doing? What? This how we gonna play it. Man, I got you.
You can't take one from me.
Bitch, do it for your mans. Just cuddle up with. No, I can't loosen her. Alright, why you trying to bite my shoulder? I'm not a biscuit. Stop that. Stop. I'm not. No. Stop. What you doing? No, don't.